Hi guys, this is the reason why we are shooting today's video. Welcome to my channel. It's Saturday and I'm about to take down my braids. I've been procrastinating taking down these braids for the longest time now. I initially thought I was going to have it in my hair for 2 weeks, but I think it's almost 2 months right now, and I take it down. Okay, I got this for 3,700 naira. If you're in Nigeria and you're thinking about using the Mega Growth anti-dandruff kit, stay tuned because I'm going to be giving my unfiltered opinion about this product. And I will not be boring you guys with the stress of watching this whole takedown process. I have a mini video on this channel where I showed you guys how to properly take down your braids without damaging or breaking your own hair in the process, because yeah, I talk too much. I'm going to link that video up here or here. You would see it pop on the screen. Definitely check it out if you want to know how to take it down. 2:42 right now, and hopefully before 7 I should be done taking down these braids, and by tomorrow morning I will wash the hair.
One eternity later.
Guys, so this is me checking in. So I'm halfway through with the hair.
Next morning.
Good morning. So I just woke up, legit just woke up, and I finished using this hair yesterday at about 9 p.m. So this is how much this is all the hair I lost from my head yesterday. I'm going to wash them in these twists because I really want to get to my scalp, you know, everywhere. Yeah, I think I like this one, so I'm just going to start. Update: after the first wash and I've rinsed it out, I can feel the menthol in my hair. And you are familiar with menthol in any of your hair care products, you know exactly how it feels. Like it gives you this tingly feeling, and I'm feeling that all over my hair. And I feel like my eyes were itching me a bit because some of the water as I was rinsing got in my eyes, so you want to rinse it out really quickly. I'm going to go in a second time because it didn't really lather the first time, so let's do it again. Alright guys, so after a second time of washing or scrubbing my scalp, I can really feel the menthol everywhere on my scalp because my scalp is like really heating up nicely, and I like it. And I think that if you're one that battles with dandruff, you would enjoy this process. Like, it's not an uncomfortable feeling, like I said before. So all my scalp is, you know, saturated with this shampoo, which is the reason why I left the hair in this twist, so that I will be able to get to my scalp without, you know, having to, you know, pat the hair with my fingers. I'm done washing and rinsing the shampoo out of my hair. I'm just using an old plain t-shirt to dry my hair. The next step is to use the treatment, and it states here to apply regularly to scalp to treat dandruff and leave in, do not rinse off. We're going to scoop this one on the cover first because no product is going to waste, and I'm going to put this directly on my scalp. How much I have used from it and the cover as well. So I fully saturated my scalp with this product, and now I'm going to put some of them on my fingers and just gently give my scalp a massage, because it is so important that this product gets into my scalp. And there is an increased tingling sensation going on. The menthol is it's as if my scalp is on fire, but it's not unbearable. Like I said, it's something I think you would enjoy. So yeah. I think that's enough. That's enough detangling. So I'm going to get my shower cap and just put my hair in it and cover it up. Go and shower, and I'll see you guys when I'm done with everything. Hi guys, so I'm done. I'm back from the shower. I haven't actually seen my scalp. Okay, I'm looking at my scalp now. My scalp feels really clean. I'm not seeing any of those scaling and stuff, and as you can see, my hair is already due, so I have a lot of undergrowth coming through. The last time I relaxed this hair was in July. I'm just going to let the hair air dry, and maybe I'll talk to you guys then. Guys, so I'm back. So off camera I applied my mega growth leave-in conditioner, and I also applied this olive virgin oil to my hair. And as soon as I feel like the hair was about 40% dry, I used my white tooth comb. I use this comb to detangle my hair, and whatever knots I found, I went ahead to use my fingers to, you know, detangle it before I went ahead to use this to detangle it. So at this point I feel like your hair is really fragile, so you want to take your time to unravel or detangle any knots. You don't want to go in and, you know, yanky your hair apart, because you will experience a lot of breakage, and yeah, so you want to be careful in this process. So I feel like the last thing I'm going to do is to use the spray. This is what it looks like again. So it says that it's enriched with coconut, menthol and tea tree oil. So I'm going to spray this directly to my scalp that I can see right here. Pat your hair with your fingers and spray onto your scalp, and gently massage to your scalp for even distribution. Alright. Oh, it has a bit of oil. Okay, so I'm not going to use a lot of it because I already applied this virgin oil to my hair, because I don't want my hair to be oversaturated. So yeah, I feel like I'll benefit more from this spray when I put my hair in a cornrow, so I would do that. But yeah, so here are my final thoughts about this product. Would I recommend it for people with that are suffering from dandruff? Hell yes, totally. um I think it's doing a good job right now to my hair. Oh, I've never experienced dandruff in my hair for the longest time, but when I started noticing it, I didn't do anything about it, which is what led to like my entire scalp was covered in dandruff, and I was suffering from dry scalp and dandruff. And hair growth right now is doing good for my hair. My hair feels clean, and I like how I feel right now. Like the tingling sensation is dialing down now, but my hair is soft. My hair feels really soft, which I think I like it. I like that a lot. So yeah, this is it. If you still want to go out and get it, definitely do, and use it according to the instructions on the label. I feel like that's how you get the best result out of this product. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Mega Growth, if you're watching this, I'm up for sponsorship. Well, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with somebody who might be suffering from dandruff or just wants to know how to best to take care of their hair. I'm a relaxed girl, and I've been relaxed for the longest time, for as long as I can remember. So yeah, subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.